If you're developing new products and you need to predict risk, predict fraud, predict opportunity, or predict demand, register to attend the new PDMA webcast, The Power of Embedded Predictive Analytics. Hello, I'm Mark Hart, the moderator for the webcast. I had the opportunity to interview James Taylor about his new PDMA webcast with Mark McNally on September the 5th. James, who should attend this webcast?
The target of the webcast is really people who are responsible for a software product, people who are working with software products that they sell to their own customers, particularly like enterprise software and software that's aimed at sort of B2C customers, because it's really about how to use predictive analytics, how to use data to improve the way your software behaves, to improve its behavior for your customers, and embed predictive analytics in the product.
What will you be sharing on September the 5th, and what will be the takeaways for attendees?
But what we're hoping to do is lay out a five-step plan that we've developed to sort of help people see what the power of predictive analytics is and walk through how they can look at their own product, see where they can apply predictive analytics, find the right kind of technology to help them embed predictive analytics, and then go forward with a plan that lets them move their current product to one that has a more predictive analytics future.
If you want to close the insight to action gap, register for the Power of Embedded Predictive Analytics webcast by visiting pdma.org. Click the Events tab, then click Webcast. The live webcast is September the 5th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you can't attend the live event, register to access the recording.